His first full head of braids, and I'm teaching her how to connect completely and braid a full head and get faster at it. So turn it. And how to part a certain way so that she can eliminate the parts. But for her first time, oh my gosh, I see people pay to get their hair done and their braids look worse than this. Meaning like bad. Like these look good comparing. So I'm so proud of her, and that's her full head. So what she's getting ready to do is take these out and then start over, and I'm going to set a timer so we can see how fast she's doing with neatness and her, you know, parting and all that good stuff. So I will show you guys I will show you guys when she's done. But yeah, that's her finished the full head. I forgot to update you guys on this. Turn it again. And for the first time, her connections and stuff are really good. I'm proud of her. She just got to get a little bit tighter, but she keep doing it. After, I say, in a month or so, she'll be able to actually charge people to do their hair. So, all right, y'all.